Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a daily digital wellness chart in Google Sheets. This simple tool helps families track screen time and emotions each day, encouraging kids to become mindful, balanced technology users. Let's get started. So we'll begin by opening a new Google Sheet right here. And in the first row, we will put in the day and then screen time in hours. And let's add mood. Oop, go back one, mood. Create a little space up here, right? Dragging this. Okay, good. And we'll put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's go ahead and make this a little more colorful. Let's grab the top three and let's bold those, yeah? And we'll go to these little three dots here. Oh, here's our, we were looking for the alignment tool. We'll go ahead and align them in the center. And let's add a little background color. Let's do this blue here. Okay. Let's say there's 1 and then 3 and then 5 and 7 and 3 and 2 and 4. Okay. So let's say here we're calm. Maybe we're a little bit cranky. I'm not sure. And tired. These are just some examples. You can also add activity type or reflection here for other things if you like. So again, let's grab all of this and let's center it. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the screen time and go up to format. We're going to add just some visual. We'll click on this conditional formatting here and let's create some rules. So if it is greater than 5, let's make the color red, kind of in the danger zone there, huh? Let's add another rule. If it is less than, if it is less than 3, let's go ahead and go to green. We're doing okay there, right? And then let's add one final rule. If it is between 3 and 5, let's make that yellow. Caution. There we go. Good. Now we can also, so the color coding, if it's more than 5 hours, maybe it's time for a digital break, right? And the yellow is caution zone and the green, that's mindful use. And this gives kids feedback on their habits through color. So we're going to make it a little more visual. We're going to highlight the day and screen time here. And we're going to go and click on Insert. And we're going to click on Chart. That's not the chart that I was going for, but okay. So we can put that over here. And let's change it to a bar chart. There we go. So you can change how you want the appearance of all of this to look. You can change the title of it. You can move it around on here. And that's it. You've just created a simple color-coded digital wellness chart in Google Sheets. You can use it as a daily reflection tool, celebrate mindful days, and talk about what might help on the overstimulated ones. This small activity encourages self-awareness and healthy screen habits, which are essential skills in today's digital world. Thanks for watching.